guys, Plunderluck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do a comparison between the AirPods second generation and the InPods 12s. We are going to look at things like sound quality, build quality, and we are just going to find out which one is better between the both of them. So first of all, we're just going to look at the build quality. The build quality of the AirPods obviously is fantastic. It has a glossy finish. It charges with the lightning port. Around the body you just find the basic informations like designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. Looking at the indicator lights are inside. This is the AirPods 2, the second generation without the wireless charging option. This is the one with the wired charging option. While looking at the InPods 12s, this one are the InPods 12s 11 Pro. This one has a metallic finish, which seems really cool. The feel in the hands are really cool and really nice. Also, this one doesn't have any indicator lights anywhere if it's charging or not. You don't really know if it's charging, but looking at it, it looks really nice. You can get this in different colorways. The InPods 12 have the InPods 12 Simple, they have the InPods 12 Macron, and they have the 11 Pros as well. So they come in different color variants. So taking both of them out of their boxes, you can see that the InPods 12 are slightly bigger than the AirPods. If you compare both of them in length, they're slightly bigger. Looking underneath both of them, this has a 2 connector port, while this has one when you connect to the AirPods themselves for them to charge. Looking at the earphones themselves, they also have a difference in the earphones as well. Obviously the sound quality of the AirPods are definitely better than the InPods, but when you're looking at the price, if you can afford the AirPods 2, then I would advise that you just simply get the AirPods 2. But if you cannot, then the InPods is actually a pretty good alternative to get, because I've also been using the InPods for quite a while, and the InPods are really good. They sound really good. Sound quality wise, the bass and the treble on the AirPods are way better than anything on the market, not just the InPods, including the TWSI 12s. They cannot be compared to the AirPods. The AirPods is way better. But when you're looking at the InPods 12 for the price that you get, the bass, the treble, everything is actually pretty okay for the amount of money that you pay for it, because it comes in at a really cheap price compared to the AirPods. If we're talking about which one is better, then obviously straightforward, I would say the AirPods second edition. Even the first edition is going to be better than the InPods 12s. But talking about the money, if you don't have the money to get the AirPods, then definitely the InPods 12s are a way better alternatives than the AirPods. So I'm just gonna do a little sound test between both of them, so you guys can see and determine yourself which one is better between the both of them. So we're first gonna connect the AirPods. Okay, so now the AirPods are connected, and we're gonna play a little song, and we're gonna see which one between the AirPods and the InPods 12 have a better sound quality. But I can tell you now, definitely the AirPods are way better than the InPods 12. So you guys can just make your decision based on the financials instead of based on the sound differences. Okay. So that was just a little sound of the AirPods, while we check out the InPods a little bit. Okay, so that's the InPods 12, but definitely guys, I know you might not be able to determine which one has the better sound quality from just the sound test over on YouTube without actually getting it, but I can definitely tell you from my own experience that AirPods have a way better sound than the InPods 12s, but it just determines on the price. If you have the money to get the AirPods, then you should get the AirPods, but if you don't have the money and looking for a really good cheap alternative, then the InPods 12s are way better. It doesn't matter what variant, either the Macron, the Simple, or the 11 Pro, all of them sound really good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and if you did, please smash the like button and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys subscribe and support me. Thank you so much.